Welcome, guys. It's Tim Key with Option Legacy. You did it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I truly believe you made a great decision watching this video. It is what we call our secret sauce. And it's my goal here at Option Legacy to add as much value to you as possible. So what is Market Club? Man, can you guess it? It's our secret sauce with trading options. Honestly, frankly, I do not know why more people do not know about this amazing platform called Market Club. It's what's allowed us to generate a 22% average return on investment month over month, literally making us thousands of dollars each month in closed trades. And it's not that hard. It's so super easy. But it's generating amazing profits. That's why I have to share it with you. But before I do that, let's break down options a little bit. What is options? Some of you know, some of you don't, so let's go through it. Options allow you to make money in up, down, or sideways markets. That common phrase, when I tell people I'm an options trader, they go, oh, like you buy low and sell high? And I think everyone just knows that's like the idea of selling stocks. But with options, you're not just making money on the upside, you're literally making money upside, downside, and sideways. You can literally be neutral, completely wrong in the direction of a stock, and using certain strategies, you can still make money with stock options. You can benefit from a rise or fall in the stock price without actually owning the stock. Literally thinking you're capturing gains without being on the hook for fallouts and big drawdowns. It's crazy. It's powerful. You can earn income even if you don't know what the direction of the stock will move. You just need it to move. Like literally, you just need time to pass by. You can put on with certain strategies using stock options to where it goes up, it goes down, it doesn't matter. You're making money, and that's the power of options. You can earn income from stocks that you already own. Think of like a vacation home that you only live in 1 month out of the year. The other 11 months you can rent out to people looking to stay in that nice area where your vacation home is, and then you receive the cash or the premium for that, and you still have access to the home when you want it. That's how stock options work with stocks. You can buy stocks at a lower price than everyone else. Think Warren Buffett here. He uses options. This is how he does it. He literally gets paid to buy stocks that he wants, and then he uses that money that he got paid to, guess what? Buy more stocks. And with options, that's how he does it. You can also guarantee you'll not lose money if the stock you own goes down. Or you can hedge how much you want your max loss to be, how much wiggle room you want it to give. But it's literally the power of options with trading. So hey, how do we do it? We use Market Club in literally 10 minutes a day, put on trades, take off trades, make money. 10 minutes. I'm gonna go through this quick, and then I'll just simply show you how it's done. So the rules for it is you enter the trade that has a new monthly or weekly trade triangle in the last 3 days. Has a trend score of plus 100, plus 90, or negative 100, negative 90. Needs to be on either side of the spectrum and be really strong on either side. Has a market value of $50 or more. Has an average trading volume of 1 million plus. Think liquidity there. And then you need to look at least a year's worth of time. We'll probably look at 2 years worth of time, but for sure a year. And you're just going to look at a naked chart and see how it looks. If it looks good, then you're going to go over to your option chain. And we're going to pick an at-the-money option with 100 plus open interest. The idea there, again, is liquidity. If we buy something, we want to sell it, we want someone to be able to buy it from us, have an interest in it. 100 or more people. Buy 60 plus days worth of time. With options, you're renting out underlying stock for a limited amount of time. Once you get close to its expiration, a stock option Greek comes in. It's called theta. It's called time decay. And at the last 30 days of the option till options expiration, the value or the premium of the stock rapidly decreases. You can use this in some strategies to your advantage, but in this case, we're going to be showing how to go long, and we want 60 days plus worth of time. Invest no more than 5% in the trade and no more than 50% of your entire portfolio. Now, this is common teaching throughout the industry. Actually, they'll probably say less than 5%. They probably say around 2% is most common. But whatever it is, this is what I teach. However, you have the trump card. Go with peace. Whenever I talk to people about investing, they say, man, that sounds risky. I can't sleep at night. Ooh, never put on an investment that you can't sleep at night. Always go with peace. And if you're not comfortable with 5%, go down to 4%, 2%, whatever percent makes you happy. And then 50% of your entire portfolio, that's just to stay off the markets. So you can be what's called sitting in cash. So if everything hits the fan, you at least still have 50% of your portfolio and you are not kicked out of the game. So let's go look at Apple. All right, here is Apple, America's favorite stock. Apple up here, it might be the world's favorite stock. It's definitely one of my favorites. But look at this. How is the chart doing? It's going in a steady up incline. Boom. Look at these things over here. They're called monthly trade triangles, weekly trade triangles, and daily trade triangles. With a positive trend score of plus 90, here, look, it triggered a monthly long-term entry at August of last year at 104, and it's all the way up to 160. Can you make money with that trade triangle? Absolutely. And I know some of you are thinking, Tim, I don't trade that long. That's a year's worth of time. That's crazy. Well, hey, what about weeklies? Come in here. Pull a little bit of these drawbacks you can catch. You enter at 104, exit at 106. Can you make money? Yes. Enter at 109, exit at 113. Did you make money? Yes. Enter at 112, exit at 149. Did you make money? Yes. And what's crazy is that caught that drawdown, triggered at 149, and went all the way down to 142. Saved you about a $7, $8 move there, and then it triggers another one here back in July for 148, saying enter, and it's now at 160. Did you make money there? Absolutely. This is the power of Market Club, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. But let's go over here and look at how to do the 10-minute blueprint. So this is the homepage of Market Club. We're going to come up here to Trade Triangles, let this load up, and then we're going to click Equities here. You can do any of these other ones, but we're going to do Equities. We're going to do volume greater than 1 million. We are going to do weekly trade triangles, and we're going to search back 3 days. Then we hit Scan. Then simply it pulls them all up. We'll come over here to hit Score to sort them. And then we're going to look at stocks that have a $50 or greater value, and then we'll hit this little on a MacBook. I hit Command and then I hold that chart button, opens a new tab. This one's not good enough, so I'm going to fast forward this section. I'll also pick up some downside trends, and then we will look at the charts together. Alright guys, I got my charts, as you can see along the top here, a few different charts, and then what we're going to do is what's called a naked chart analysis. Naked, yeah, that's my Texas accent. We're going to look at least 2 years worth of time, or at least 1 year, and preferably 2 years if we need it. And then we're going to say, what direction is the stock going? Is it going up, down, or sideways? This one looks beautiful. It's going up. So we're going to put on these trade triangles, and and what we're looking once we put on the trade triangles is, did they hold true? Enter at 98, exit at 96. Oop, that was a little tight. Enter at 99, exit at 99. Enter at 104, exit at 106. Enter at 106, exit at 132, and so on. We're going to see if these trade triangles are accurate for the chart. This looks beautiful. So we're going to go on to the next one. And this one, how's the chart doing? Going up, down, or sideways? It's a little bit sideways, and it's been trending up probably since here. We're going to put on the trade triangles and see how accurate it's been. Monthly, last monthly was back here in November. Weekly, we'll say 85, out at 84. In at 87, out at 98. In at 101, out at 102. In at 104, out at 108. So this one's pretty good too, and it just triggered a new weekly. So we like it. We're going to go on to the next one. Now this one is crazy. This one's been all over the place. Up, down, sideways, and now it's kind of going up. I don't really like it. Makes me nervous. Follow my piece. Next one. Ooh, this one makes me excited. It is beautiful. Monthly trade triangle. Are you making money here? In at 41, out at 43. Yep. In at 48, and it's now over here at 62. That looks good. We're going to go to the next one. This one, it's all right. Let's look at the trade triangles, see how they've been working. 77, 75, 80, and 92. Okay, the monthly's working. Weekly, 82, 80. Let's see. Yeah, I don't really like this one. We're going to close it out. This one, it's had a strong uptrend since here. Let's put on the triangles. Looking good. Looking even better. In at 90, out at 86. We're going to pass on this one too. And this one, man, this one looks like a rainbow. I bet you the triangles have been funny. Oh, this is on the downside, so it's hitting towards, this is my one down chart, or maybe it's my two down charts. Dun, dun, dun. The overall market's going up, so I'm not going to trade that one. And this one looks very sideways to me too. We'll pass on it. But we're going to take these three and go over to the option chain and look. ADBE. Chart looks beautiful. Wow, look at this. And then the options. We want 60 days worth of time. Around 60 days. This is pretty close for us. Maybe we come here. 44. No, let's go 60. 65. And then what we're simply going to do is buy an at the money option. Once we make sure that it has an open interest of over 100, which in this case it does, the stock price is over $50, and the volume is over 1 million. Wouldn't have been on our chart if it wasn't, but let's just go check over here. Quotes, volume, it's at 1.4 million over the last 10-day average. So this we would simply buy. We'd buy an at the money option. Hit preview. Wait, did I just say preview without negotiating the price? Nope, we always negotiate the price. 2/3 between the between the bid and the ask. And we'd hit send. Filled. All right. Now we're gonna come over here, close out that one. We need CHKP. CHKP. We're gonna look at the chart. It's coming right off. We're gonna look at the options. Go 60 days out. Open interest is over 100. Over $50. Under $1 million. Ooh, how did this one get onto our chart? So we're gonna pass on this one. And then now we're going to A. We're gonna look at the chart. Looks beautiful. Coming up off of the 20-day moving average. We're gonna go to quote, just get that out of the way. It's got over $1 million here. We're gonna go to the options, get 60 days worth of time. 30 or 93. It's got over, so since there wasn't that, it's either 30 or 93, we're going with the longer one, 93 here. And then there's over 100 open interest. We'll hit buy. We're gonna come somewhere in between here in the mid. Preview. Send. And guys, that's how simple it is. Takes 10 minutes. You do that daily. Trade small, trade often, and you're in the game. All right, that's the 10-minute blueprint. 10 minutes a day to generate thousands of dollars using a software that anyone can use. So you enter the trade when it's triggered a monthly or weekly trade triangle in the last 3 days, has a trend score of plus 100, plus 90, or negative 100, negative 90, has a market value of $50+, an average trading volume of 1 million plus. You're going to look at a naked chart of 1 or more years of time. If the chart looks good, you're going to go over to the option chain, Pick an at the money option with over 100 open interest. We're going to buy 60 or more days worth of time, and you're going to invest no more than 5% into that single trade and no more than 50% of your portfolio active at one time. Ta-da! We did it! Thanks for your time, guys. Couldn't have done it without you. This is the power of Market Club. It simply works. So thank you so much for watching this video. Click the button below and go check out Market Club. It is literally worth your time. If you know everything or nothing, Market Club can help you generate amazing returns month over month like it's doing us. So thanks for your time. Click the button below. Thanks, guys.